Once upon a time, in a cozy little village surrounded by green hills, Mia and Leo stumbled upon something unbelievable. A tiny white dragon. Dragon and sparkles.
This entire animation was created automatically by AI. No animation skills needed. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how it's made and walk you through every step, all done by a single AI tool. It can generate animations or even live-action videos in different styles, supports most model types, and keeps your characters consistent throughout your story. It even adds lip sync automatically. You can create full episodic series or tell different stories using the same characters. And if needed, you can pose your characters too. All the time-consuming parts of animation, like writing scripts, storyboarding, designing characters, animating, and editing, are done in seconds. And the best part? It gives you a ready-to-use final video, no extra editing required.
I'm Daniel, a 2D and 3D animator.
And I'm Ariana, a video editor and content creator. On this channel, we share our tips, tricks,
And experiences about making animations and videos.
especially with AI.
If you're into that, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It really means a lot to us. Alright, so first head over to the Catalyst website using the link and just sign up with your Gmail account. Super simple. Once you're in on the main page, you'll see a bunch of sample projects that can really help you get started. These samples already include ready-to-use prompts or scripts. So if you find something close to your style or topic, just open it and start from there. That way, you'll get results much faster. Of course, if you want to start completely from scratch, you can do that too. In that case, you'll need to set up everything manually. So, like writing your own script, storyboard, and so on. Inside the samples, there are all kinds of options. From 3D animation and anime to realistic live-action projects in different genres. I'll pick one here just to show you how it works. But remember, you can always change the style later however you want. On this page, you can either upload your own script or paste it directly. If you don't have one yet, just type a short topic or idea, and the AI will instantly create a full script for you. You can also adjust the number of scenes, add more, or reduce them as you like. The AI will automatically break your story into separate shots and display them neatly. Everything is fully editable. Things like video size, scene details, style, and even the overall mood or atmosphere of your animation. If you're not happy with the script, you can regenerate it or tweak the number of scenes again. Once you're happy with everything, click Next. Now on this page, you get to pick your video style. It could be realistic, 3D animation, or any other look you want. After that, just hit Create Project. Next up is the character section. Here, the AI automatically finds all the characters in your script and generates them for you. If you don't like how one looks, just tweak its prompt and regenerate it until it feels right. You can even pick their voices here. Once that's done, click Create Project again to move on. Now, as you can see, all the prompts for each shot are ready to go. You can generate them one by one or all at once, and boom, you'll have your full storyboard. At the top, you'll see your characters' names and locations, and you can easily add new ones too. After the storyboard is ready, you can open any frame in the edit section and make changes however you like. You can use Generative AI to modify parts of the image, remove something, or add references to change the look. You can even recreate the image completely from a new prompt. In the main project view, you can delete or add shots anytime, and even send some shots to the next chapter if you're building a longer story. You can regenerate or edit shots as many times as you want, totally free. And finally, once everything's done, click Present to watch the whole project with your full script and review it before finishing up. You can also go to the timeline section where you can watch all your images play one after another, along with background music. Here, by clicking on the Generate All Videos button, you can instantly turn all your shots into videos. As you can see, there are different AI video generators available here. Each one can handle the video creation process for you. Of course, depending on which one you choose, the credit cost may vary. Personally, I prefer to convert each scene individually. That way, I can add voiceovers or lip sync whenever I need. To do that, I go back to the main project page and open the editor for the scene I want to work on. Now, If you click on the Video tab, you'll find the full text-to-video tools right here. You can use different AI models to create your shot exactly how you want it. If needed, you can also extend your scene duration up to 10 seconds. And if you want your character to speak a line in that scene, just select the character, type in the dialogue, and the AI will automatically add the lip sync for you.
Where could the treasure be?
You can repeat this process for all your scenes until your animation is fully complete. Or, like I mentioned, you can simply generate all the videos automatically at once and skip these steps entirely. Totally up to you. There's also an AI assistant built right into Catalyst. You can just tell it what you want, like adding a new character, location, or any other change, and it'll do it for you right away. So don't worry, the process is super smooth and beginner friendly. Now, on your timeline, you'll have your full video, complete with music. Here, you can use the text-to-speech tool to add voiceovers wherever you think it's needed. You can choose between different narrator or character voices and easily generate your own voiceover tracks. Once you've done this for all your scenes, you can arrange them, adjust the timing, and complete your final animation. All right, now let's take a look at the full project together.
On a sunny morning, brave Mia dreams of adventure in the wide, open meadow. In the lively village square, Leo spots her and waves with his usual cheeky grin. They meet by the fountain, just as thunder rumbles from a clear blue sky. Beneath an old oak tree, a sneezy dragon named Spark blows out a cloud of glitter. The villagers whisper nervously about her playful, rainbow-colored pranks. Determined to help, Mia and Leo set off together toward Rainbow Valley. There, they find Spark tangled in shiny, polka-dotted sheet, trying her best to fix the mess. The two friends giggle as they help her free the sheet and calm everyone down. But suddenly, a loud rumble shakes the ground. A giant boulder blocks their way. Thinking fast, Mia makes a plan, Leo gathers vines, and Spark lends her strong tail. Together, they push and lift until the boulder rolls aside and the path is clear. Back in the village, Spark bows an apology and offers flowers to everyone. Then, a cheer. She sneezes again, this time filling the air with rainbow confetti. Laughter echoes through the village as Mia and Leo celebrate their friendship. That night, under Spark's glowing rainbow fireworks, the whole village celebrates their joyful adventure.
If everything looks good, you can export your work from this section. You can either download the complete video or even export the full storyboard. There are multiple ways to get your final output. Honestly, I think this AI is an amazing tool for anyone who doesn't have animation experience, but still wants to create their own animated stories. Hope you found this helpful, and as always, stay creative and I'll see you next time.